Delivers superior laser print quality. Brother Genuine TN-223C standard yield Cyan toner cartridge delivers consistent rich, vivid professional color laser quality output you can rely on for up to 1,300 pages. Intelligent engineering. Intelligently engineered as part of a complete printing system to work seamlessly with your Brother printer to deliver laser printer quality. Sharp prints that last. Brother Genuine Toner produces superior laser quality results that withstand the test of time. Environmentally responsible. Brother offers an environmentally responsible way to dispose of Brother Genuine cartridges. Visit manufacturer's website for more information. For use with Brother printer and all-in-one models, HLL3210CW, HLL3230CDW, HLL3270CDW, HLL3290CDW, MFC-L3710CW, MFC-L3750CDW and MFC-L3770CDW to easily and affordably add color printing to home or small offices. Amazon Replenishment Cartridge. Upon activation with your eligible Brother printer, TN223C replacement cartridges can be automatically ordered through Amazon Replenishment and sent directly to your door. Top reviews from the United States. Did not want a generic. I don't like buying generic printer toner and you can count on Brother for top quality. Because the price is so high, I feel compelled to try an alternative brand cartridge in the future.